Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add image in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see add element. So click on it. Now you see my images, upload and import, and then you see upload images. So click on it. Then you see upload media, drag and drop file here. Click on upload from computer, so click on it. Now select image according to your requirement and then click on open. Now uploading images. Now select image and then you see add to page. So click on it. Now you see image is added and then you can select drag and drop image according to your requirement. Now like this and then you see resize. So if you want you can resize image like this. Then you see multiple option, change image, edit image, setting, design, filter, animation and link. Now click on edit image. Now you see multiple option, crop, resize, enhance. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on save and then you see settings. So click on it and then you see image behavior. When image is clicked, then you see drop down, nothing happen, open link, open in pop-up and then you see it can be magnified. If you want to add link, so you can add link here. Now close. Then you see design, so click on it and then you see image frame design open and then you see multiple design, so you can select according to your requirement. Now you see design is changing and then you see customize design, so click on it. So you can select design according to your requirement. If you want you can add link. Also if you want you can add animation and then click on publish. Now publish done. So in this way you can add image in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.